Part 3 is to create the salary payroll class, and it will inherit from the payroll data class as well. First, you want to write the declaration for this class. There's no additional data members in this class, but you will write 2 different constructors, the destructor and the 3 methods, the ones that were virtual in the base class. You're going to write those in this class. And then you're going to implement them, and so you'll implement every one of those methods. Then you'll be able to use the salary payroll class in main. And so here are the details of how to creating a salary payroll objects, using them, and using all of the methods that were written with the salary payroll class. And then run the unit test. Now, the file is set up to just run the hourly salary class. So to be able to run the salary payroll class, you're actually going to have to go into the cmakelist.txt file. Now, in the project, there are 3 of these files. There's the one that is in the project folder, there's the one that is in the SRC folder, and there's the one that is in the tests folder. And this is the one we want to work with, is the one that is in the tests folder. So open that up, and up there at the very top is this set call to the set function. And right now, hourly payroll is the only one that is uncommented. So now to do the salary payroll, all you need to do is uncomment it and get it ready to go. Now notice that it opens up here and it says the CMake project needs to be reloaded. If you don't reload it, it's not going to make the changes. So it's really important that you go ahead and reload changes after you make that. Now the tests are set up to run both the hourly payroll and the salary payroll tests. Now you've already passed all the hourly payroll tests, so you can just leave those. They'll just stay there and run. And now in addition to that, it will run the tests for the salary payroll class. So now you've got this class ready to run. You can fix any problems that show up when you run those unit tests. And part 4 is to create the commission payroll class. You're going to go through a really similar process for the commission payroll. Write the declaration. This one does add 2 private data members. And again, 2 constructors, a destructor, getters for the new data members, setters for the new data members, and 4 other methods. Now notice it's got the 3 that were pure virtual methods, and then 1 additional method, which is the compute commission method. After you get the declarations all written, then you write the commission payroll implementation. So go through and implement all of those methods. And then you can use that compute commission class in main and declare variables of type commission payroll and test out all of those methods to see how they work and if they're doing what you expect them to do. And then to run the unit test, you're going to follow that same process. You're going to go into the cmakelist.txt file that is in the tests folder. Be sure and expand the test folder. Notice how this other one looks like it's in the test, but it's just under the test folder. You have to expand the test folder and then get the CMake list that's inside there, and then uncomment the commission payroll, and that will then test all 3 of them. Go ahead and reload the changes and run those tests.